Hey guys, this is Mike with Cheap Sneaker Finds, and today we're going to unbox the Jordan 4 Ammamonier. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been quite a minute since I've uploaded any videos to the Cheap Sneaker Finds channel, and the reason being is because I kind of stopped collecting after a while, or not collecting, but I just kind of stopped buying shoes. I stopped going to my Nike outlet / clearance store just because I wasn't really finding anything good, and because it is 2025 and we are hitting some hard financial times. But I have been buying a few pairs of shoes over the last couple months that I definitely should have made videos on, and maybe I'll show you guys my updated I guess collection a little bit later on, maybe not in this video but in another video. But in this video we're going to take a look at the Jordan 4 Ammamoniers, which is a collab, I believe, and this is actually my second pair of Jordan 4s. I actually did get the Jordan 4 Black Cats. They came out recently also, so I'm kind of getting into the higher tier Jordans. Unfortunately, I did not get this cheap. I did get this, for retail. I believe it was $230 plus shipping, etc. like that. So I like to say that this is my Christmas present to myself. But anyways, let's go ahead and move my tripod here a little bit so we can kind of get a better shot for you guys as far as that goes. Let's go ahead and get the unboxing goes. I already did unbox these already, but I'm gonna do it for you guys just so you guys can check out the shoe. The box, it does actually have like this cool I guess piece of art on the inside. I don't know who that is, so don't come and attack me, whoever that is. I honestly don't know. So anyways, I'm gonna put the lid away here. Again, I did have an issue with shipping, by the way, guys. So normally you have I had FedEx that was shipping this. It was supposed to be delivered Saturday. Today is Tuesday the 29th of December, and I was supposed to get it on Saturday the 27th. So I did have to wait an extra day. I don't know what was going on. I guess they were just backed up. But anyways, I've already looked at the shoe. It's a beautiful freaking shoe. Let's go ahead and do a double unboxing here for you guys. I kind of botched the wrapping already for you guys, but I definitely want to just take these out again and put them to the side here so that you guys can definitely see the shoe here. Again, they do a pretty good job packing it. They did have each shoe individually wrapped. So again, let's go ahead and let's see if I can I fix this? There you go. Let's see if I can fix this for you guys. But yeah, basically, again, this is kind of like a dark, they call it the dark mocha Jordan 4, right? And again, I'm a big fan of the look because, first of all, it's like the shoe looks good, but it's also like I mean, it's a basketball shoe, right? Obviously, it's an original Jordan 4 retro. Obviously, it's not like an actual retro color wave, but again, it's a collab with Ammamonier. So definitely, you're gonna get this tag that comes, or this little kind of chain that comes with it. I love it a lot. I'm hoping the camera is doing it justice. I'm filming this on my phone, but basically, you are going to get different accents all the way around here. Like here on the actual sole itself, you do have that white in the back. It's not really a white. My camera's not kind of catching it correctly, but it's kind of like a purplish color now that I'm looking at it like in better light. And it's got again, a dark theme all the way around, right? I feel like these are definitely an autumn color shoe that you could wear. You can look at the front here. The suede material feels really nice. It does come with a second lace color, which I will show you. And it looks like it does have the Ammamonier tag on it. So this is not the first Jordan 4 Ammamonier shoe that has released. There have been other, this I would believe would be the third. I believe there's a Jordan 3 also. Somebody correct me in the comments if I'm wrong on that. Let's see if I can fix the camera angle for you guys. We'll 1x it for you, and then I'll get to try on the shoes. But literally, that's basically like the second time I take the shoe out of the box. But just look at the accents here, guys. I mean, it looks very nice. I have a pair of Jordan 4s already. I have the Black Cat retros that just came out recently in 2025 as well. But the detail on this is kind of crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does have like the Amma, I guess that little logo, which is like the A right here underneath the laces all the way around. In the back here, again, we do have the Nike Air logos, which I'm a big fan of. I prefer. I know some of the non, I guess, OG colorways have like the Jumpman logo here, but for me, I prefer the Nike Air. Just to me, it fits better on this shoe. It just depends on the shoe, right? I have Jordan 3s. I have a pair of Jordan 3 Black Cats that have you know, the Jumpman Air, but I have also the Jordan 3 Rare Airs that have the Nike logo here in the back as well. And then I have a pair of Jordan 5s that also have the Jumpman. So it just really depends on the shoe. I really like it. To me, it looks good. Let me take the laces out. So it does come with an extra pair of laces. I believe this is kind of like, you know, the color of like what you would see here. Again, it doesn't look like it's like a white. This is not white, by the way. It's kind of like a pinkish color. Again, it's just kind of hard to see. But anyways, because of my camera, but hopefully you guys can see it. But again, on the inside, you can see that it does have like a pretty interesting material as far as like for, you know, your ankle and whatnot. I don't know if I can get. I was like, let me turn on the light, but I don't have a light. But you guys can pretty much see what I'm talking about, right? It's got like a different, like kind of like a velvet lining here, and the material is just definitely different than what you would see on a normal Jordan 4, right? The insoles, they're just kind of like a dark insole. I'm not going to take them out just for this video, unfortunately, but definitely look nice. What I don't really, okay, well, I'll tell you one thing about this shoe that, and maybe it's just me, what I don't like is this right here, the tongue, right? It feels really stiff compared to, I believe, the other Jordan 4 that I have. I guess maybe because of the material. But it just definitely feels different. I am feeling the dark laces with this, though. I definitely do think the dark laces look super hot, nice on this. But again, I might transition over to like the pinkish laces. We'll see. And just all the way around, guys, you can see that this is a very nice looking shoe. Like again, you do have different logos on the tongue here. The laces just look amazing. I don't know, like. Is it me? To me, like, okay, I had just to let you guys know, I did have an issue with shipping, right? They did delay the shipping, and then when the box came, it looked like it had been banged up a little bit, and they had it like, it looked like there was another piece of tape. They put a piece of tape around it saying like tamper proof. So I was asking one of my buddies that received the same shoe if he got that the same, and he didn't give me an answer, unfortunately, but like it just didn't look right to me. So I have a feeling the box or something was damaged in the process, and like FedEx had to kind of like repackage it for me or whatever. Luckily, like I said, like the regular shoe box, it just had like a small dent on top, so I didn't really have to deal too much with any like, you know, issues with that. But as you can see here, again, it's very clean on the bottom. I haven't worn these yet, guys, by the way, so I guess I'll do a quick try on for you guys before we close out the video. Definitely not too long a video. I wear a size 10.5 in Jordans. It just depends on the shoe, right? Like I could wear like a Jordan 1 low as a 10, but I also have like, I can wear them in 10.5. The Black Cats I have, they're a 10.5 also, but I might switch to a size 11 just because the toe box on these shoes are a little bit tight, right? Especially because, again, the material here, like, it doesn't really stretch or anything like that compared to, like, others. So I'm definitely considering maybe upping to an 11 on the next one. I would have to try an 11 pair, but for the most part, 10 fits me fine. Again, just small accents that we didn't go over right here, like this little net thing for the laces. Again, I believe the inside, these do say something. I don't remember what they say. Let me see if I can get that to focus. I think they just say Jordan, but you have to like put them upside down. Or they might say Ammamonier. Hard for me to see. Okay, it said, yeah, it does say Ammamonier on this side. And then let me see if this one says the same. I think this one says Jordan. So you might have to maybe focus, maybe not. Okay, again, I'm not trying to like crease up the shoes or anything like that, guys. But, and again, I still have the actual parts. What is this on the inside here? I do have like these still on the inside, so you know like that I have not worn these once, because like the shoelaces are still like tied the way that you would get them outside of the box. So definitely, again, guys, this is definitely not a cheap sneaker find, and the channel might change, right, to just like me liking shoes as a hobby, right? Because like I do enjoy collecting and wearing the shoes, and you know, I wear like a different pair of shoes to work every single day. So my coworkers, they call me like MJ, because I'm always rocking a different pair of Jordans, right? So again, now I do have Jordans 1 through 5 now. I haven't collected anything past a 5, I believe. I have other variants of Jordans, like a Max Aura or like the Jordan 4 RMs, right, which are like the low top Jordans, which I really enjoy, by the way. I really enjoy the Jordan 4 RMs. Maybe I'll make a separate video about those because they're very comfortable. But anyways, guys, let me change socks here, and then let me go ahead and try these on for you, okay? Okay, guys, here is me wearing the shoes, and as you can see here, my collection has grown. I have a bunch of shoes over here, but just trying on these, definitely, they feel really good, honestly. Honestly, I think they feel a little bit better than the Jordan 4 Black Cats that I have. But again, maybe I'll make a separate video about that, just to kind of show you the differences in material. But these, I feel like you could just wear these every day. They look like a dressy, it's like a dressy casual shoe, but it's like a Jordan 4. Like, I bet you, like, if you wore this out to like an event, right, you know, probably no one would notice until they saw like the Nike logos in the back there. And even then, it's like really not that noticeable. But, you know, to me, you know, most Jordans are comfortable. I think the ones that I really don't like my favorite are the Jordan 3s, by the way. For at least for now, Jordan 3s and Jordan 5s. I would say Jordan 4s are like the least comfortable of the set here. But again, you know, it really just depends. But definitely on the person. But you know, I'm more flat-footed. But again, guys, these are very comfortable. And again, I could see myself, like, you know, wearing these to work or to, like, you know, like an event where, you know, I have to hang out with family, friends, whatever, and they're not really gonna notice, like, that they're, like, you know, Jordan shoes, I guess. So again, guys, this is Mike with Cheap Sneaker Finds. Again, leave a comment down below if you guys do want to see other videos. I do have a pair of Jordan 3 Rare Airs that I've been enjoying also, and I've been wearing those to work a little more lately, so they are getting a little bit beat, but they're still clean enough for me to make a video. So again, guys, thanks again for watching the video. I hope you guys had a great holiday. This is probably going to be one of my last videos of the year for this channel, so check it out, guys. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time, okay?